Oh my god, I am super excited. So here I got some BC Racing coilovers. I found a rusty old knife, I guess this will do. I can't wait to put these on. Holy fuck. So I already started taking the interior pieces out. I got this side all out of the way. Just got the subs out of the way. Now I just gotta take this piece out and I can pull my car into the garage.
Walking around, looking for a way, but no one tells me which way to go. I'm caught up in a world, a labyrinth, a maze, where yes men could easily be no. I ask them no questions, they give me no answers. Following the wise, but they're walking in pampers.
Got my homie Kevin right here. He's gonna help me out. It's automatic too?
Yeah, 10 speed.
Oh my god.
Look at the speed we're going. We're going like 110.
You don't race the RSX though.
Just fucking pushed you back and fucking
the Camaro
danced for a little bit.
It was ridiculous.
That shit was funny as shit. The first day I got it, went to the races. My apartment, there was this guy drunk on a lifted truck, just fucking ran straight through the. You'll see.
When did that happen?
Like 3 days ago. He ran through that. You see that big ass?
Oh my god.
He was lifted. He just went through that motherfucker. He was drunk.
They got it on camera?
No, I'm over there, me and my girl.
Oh, y'all saw it?
Yeah, she Snapchatted it right here. Look. He fucking got on that shit. Oh shit, that's a 5-0. I ain't raising that.
Why not?
That thing is fucking modded as fuck.
No, it's not.
He's got the fucking tuner on the side.
The access port?
Yeah. You think? I'm gonna say, hey, can I see where I stand? Hey. Can I see where I stand?
Kind of letting people go.
Okay, that's cool.
God. Oh shit.
I think he has a Bama too.
Now all 4 coilovers are in. Now to mess with the ride height. Holy shit, these are a huge pain in the ass to adjust. Like, my hand's all bruised and shit from the spinner wrench. I think I figured it out. Oh, fuck. I just hit the rotor, I think. They need to be replaced anyways. Okay, so I'm just gonna lower the rear and see where it sits. I'm pretty positive it's gonna rub the tire. I'm probably gonna need to raise it some more, but I'll just have to see. Obviously, it's not gonna be the same as if I had the front lowered, but I'm just not patient enough. I just want to see. All right, so now we're finally gonna get to see it on the ground. I think we're good. It doesn't rub. It's the next day. It was definitely too dark last night to pull the car out and actually show you a walk around of the car. I'm gonna do that now, but before I do, I'm gonna install the big wing. Whoops. Oh, there it is. There's a screw right there and a clip. Oh my. That's horrible.
That's so nice.
So I'm a retard and I thought you needed a heat gun, but I guess not. Once I take this one off, I should be able to yank it off and pull all the clips out at once. Oh fuck. God damn it. I just lost my screw. Oh my god, that looks disgusting. Look at this. It's definitely not slammed, but I can't go much lower unless I roll the fenders because this little lip in the fender will definitely heat up the tire. And I think this wing looks absolutely amazing on this car. So yeah, once I get the spacers to fit the new wheels on, I'm definitely going to be lowering it a little bit. Not like absolutely slammed, but definitely a little bit lower because it's still monster trucking a little bit. Also, I am searching for the little lip to go here that actually fits between the wing, because the OEM trunk lip doesn't fit. It goes all the way to here, which obviously it can't go to here because the wing goes here. So I know for sure there's one that will fit because I've seen it on multiple RSXs. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.
I represent for the elevated climb.
playing, yeah, you know the guys damn twist smash trans. Pop another tab, nigga, live life grand. I'm an ever living god, nigga, fuck 'em, man. Nigga, fuck 'em, man, when you so logo like my Egypt fan. My living soul don't age like I'm Peter Pan. Oh, you a Jesus Christ fan, I'm the sequel, man. See, you gotta be some God trapped in you.